Right, we're back Freecad-ing once again. Reasonably successful couple of days at it. This is a steam chest cover with the steam passages in it. You'll see what's going on, but the reason I'm showing you this is because I said in the last video that it didn't seem to make any difference if you deleted a sketch. Well, I'm afraid it does. If you've used external geometry, you'll see what happens. It all goes completely belly up, which is not unusual with me, and it's showing an error anyway. You see, I used to ignore that, but you can't. Not to worry. I also found on the internet PDF of the Dake engine with several sheets of drawings on it. This is it. It starts with a photograph from Dake Engine Company. The drawings are pretty good. I think what he's done is he's found a model engine, and I'd like to find this bloke, but all his websites have gone now. This is exploded assembly workbench. What a job I had loading that. I did what I normally do, went into program files, opened them up and searched through all the Freecad sort of list until I found things with other workbenches in, and then I just unzipped the file and dropped it in there. No chance. Took me about 3 hours to sort it. I looked in the for instructions in Wiki or Freecad Wiki and couldn't find any. But eventually I did it the old-fashioned way, and the way I had actually done it to start with, and for some reason it worked well as anything works. Quite good this. The studs are coming through too far, but that's because I picked the minor chamfer diameter and not the major one. Sorry, I picked the major one and not the minor one when I assembled this. You'll also see there's some artifacts on the back of the plate, but I think I've looked all through the sketches and everything, and I think all it is some normals that have got t'other to which. You'll see I also didn't get this perfect. There's something wrong on the right hand side top nut. That, I don't know why it's jumping like that. I must have done it wrong. And the bottom one, I forgot to move it sideways. I could do with slowing all this down, but I can't find a way of doing so without, making things go further, if you see what I mean. Still, it's quite impressive, and it's see, those artifacts have gone now. Don't know. I'll look into the matter further. It'd be handy if I knew which played forward and which played backwards. Perhaps I've done it in the wrong order. But it's quite a smart thing, this. It was well worth the 3 or 4 hours it took me to load it. Now, I made UNF bolts because the dimensions are all in metric, all in imperial, and I couldn't get the bolt to revolve. You can see on the left there it says revolutions, and it also got animation, and it looks as if you can alter the number of frames. No,